Just add eggs to orange juice and you'll thank me later. That's amazing. And that's it, folks. I've mixed 2 eggs with the orange juice, and now it's time to beat it well. Guys, this recipe is amazing. You just have to stir it as soon as it starts to change color. It's already completely incorporated. Next, I take a bowl and pour in the entire contents of the mixture. I used a total of 200 milliliters of orange juice. After that, I add the egg whites that we had already beaten. I also add half a cup of oil or butter, depending on your choice. Then I add a cup of caster sugar. Now it's time to add 2 cups of flour. I add some first and mix well. Tell me in the comments which cake you like best. I'm sure this recipe will win you over. It's so practical that you'll want to make it again and again. When I made it at home, people swore it was from a bakery. Then I add the rest of the flour along with the yeast. I stir gently until the dough reaches the ideal texture. Once everything is well incorporated, I transfer it to a greased pan. I greased it with margarine and a little icing sugar. Now, just pour in the batter. For the finishing touch, I add orange zest on top. I bake it in a preheated oven at 200 degrees Celsius for about 35 minutes. It's really quick. And now comes the trick that makes this cake so tasty that even the neighbor will want to know the recipe. In a pan that is still cold, I add a cup of cocoa powder. Then I add 1½ cups of sugar, half a tablespoon of butter, and half a cup of water. I turn on the heat and stir constantly for about 5 minutes. If you like this recipe and want more, write it down here. I want it, okay? This way, the platform understands that you are engaging with the content and continues to show you other incredible recipes. Super cool. Check it out. 5 minutes have passed, and the syrup has reached the ideal point. Now it's simple. Just pour it over the cake. And remember at the beginning of the video when I said you wouldn't regret it? I'm pretty sure you never imagined trying a cake that tasted like orange soda. Cake indeed, you see. This one is irresistible. Here at home, everyone loves it. It tastes amazing. I want to see you try it too. The result will blow your mind. And I bet you'll come back here just to thank me. From the bottom of my heart, I hope you enjoyed it. If you'd like to see more delicious recipes like this, comment below. I love cake, and in the next video, I'll share another delicious treat with you. And to think it all started with 2 eggs and a little orange juice. The result is a cake so soft, so light, and so tasty that no one can believe it was made in the kitchen at home. It's become a habit here. Every time I make it, the aroma spreads and everyone rushes to the kitchen. If you want to surprise your family with something simple and memorable, this is the way to go. Make it and let me know in the comments.